Hello and good morning all the students. So today we are going to see the chemical properties of alcohols. So in this chemical properties of alcohols, basically we are going to learn the reaction by the cleavage of OH bond and by the cleavage of COH bond, right? So here we are going to see the two kinds of a cleavage. First one, you all can note it down, ROH. So this is the structure of alcohol. So in this structure we are going to break this bond. So breaking of a COH bond, breaking of OH bond, right? So this is what we are going to learn in the first reaction, first type. Then the second type of a reaction is breaking of a carbon and oxygen bond, right? So both the reactions are the cleavage reactions, cleavage, right? So breaking in the organic chemistry is called as the cleavage. So in the first case you all can see that the ROH alcohol gets broken into oxygen and hydrogen, two parts, right? In the second case you can see this ROH alcohol gets broken into carbon and oxygen. That means carbon and oxygen bond is broken. Here oxygen and hydrogen bond is broken, right? So this is breaking of CO bond, right? So my dear students, we are going to learn about this reactions, right? So let's learn about the first reactions. But before learning this breaking of the COH bond and breaking of the CO bond, we also need to understand one thing. You all can note it down. When alcohols behaves like the nucleophile, then the OH bond cleavage is possible. Note it down. When alcohols behave like a nucleophile, then OH bond cleavage is possible. So this is very important note. जब भी OH nucleophile की तरह काम करेगा, that time only the cleavage is possible, right? Then the second note, you can note it down. When alcohol behaves like a electrophile, then CO bond is broken. When alcohol behaves like electrophile, then carbon oxygen bond is broken, right? So my dear students, these are the two important notes. You can note it down. When alcohols behave like the nucleophile, then OH bond cleavage is possible. When alcohol behaves like the electrophile, the carbon oxygen bond is broken, or the carbon oxygen bond cleavage is possible, right? So this is very important. You all need to understand this. Then one more note, you can note it down. SN reaction will be shown by alcohols when alcohols behave like a electrophile. SN reaction will be shown by the alcohols when alcohols behave like a electrophile, right? So you all need to remember this SN reaction. You know what is SN reaction? Substitution nucleophilic reaction will be shown by the alcohols when alcohols behave like a electrophile, right? So this was the very basics of the reaction. So we are going to primarily focus on these two reactions. Okay, so let's begin with the reaction. So let's start with the first reaction, reaction number 1, that is the breaking of. So here we are going to learn about the breaking of a OH bond. Breaking of a OH bond. So under this breaking of a OH bond, we are going to learn the first reaction, that is the acidic character of alcohols and phenols. So my dear students, in the last period I had already told you about the acidic character of the alcohols and phenols. You all know that the phenols are highly acidic compared to the alcohols. I gave you the reason also for this. That is due to the alkyl group which is attached to the alcohols. They are the electron donating groups, and that is why the removal of the hydrogen becomes difficult. But here in this case, the particular benzene ring acts as the electron withdrawing group. So in this case, the phenoxide ion is formed, and this phenoxide ion is highly stable, or it can be stabilized by the resonance, delocalization of the pi electrons, right? So here in this case, we are going to talk about the acidic character. See, we all know that the AROH is highly acidic compared to the ROH. That is, removal of a hydrogen from the alcohol is difficult, but the removal of a hydrogen from the phenol is easy, right? The reason I told you, because of the electron withdrawing group and electron donating group, this occurs. But one more thing you all need to remember, that phenols are acids, but they act as the weak acid in the aqueous medium. You can note it down somewhere else. Phenols act as the weak acids in aqueous medium. तो आपको सबको पता है aqueous medium मतलब क्या होता है? Whenever it is added to a water molecule, phenol, it is not a pure phenol, right? It is in the aqueous medium, and alcohols in aqueous medium act as the neutral, right? एक्वाइस मीडियम में अल्कोहल क्या होते हैं? न्यूट्रल होते हैं. फिनॉल्स क्या होते हैं? वीक एसिड्स होते हैं. सो यू नीड टू रिमेंबर दिस थिंग, राइट? सो दिस पर्टिकुलर थिंग वी आर गोइंग टू प्रूव इट with the help of this particular reaction, right? Okay, so let's see the reaction of this phenols and alcohols in the aqueous medium. So first reaction we are going to see is ionization of alcohols. Ionization of alcohols, right? So when this particular alcohol ROH is added to a water molecule, it will form the alkoxide ion plus H3O plus. So this is nothing but the alkoxide ion is formed, and this particular alkoxide ion is nothing but highly neutral in a nature. So here what happens is, the electron donating alkyl group destabilizes the alkoxide ion. As a result, alcohols do not ionize in water and behaves as the neutral compound in the aqueous medium, right? So you all need to remember this. Okay, then we will also see the second reaction, that is the ionization of phenols. Ionization of phenols. So here in this case, plus H2O, it will get converted into this phenoxide ion. This is the phenoxide ion plus H3O plus, right? Now this particular phenoxide ion can be stabilized by using the resonance. That means the shifting of the electrons is possible in the system, right? That is why we say that in an aqueous medium, phenols will be weak acid. Phenols will be weak acid, and in the aqueous medium, alcohols will be acting as the neutral. Alcohols will be acting as the neutrals, right? Okay, so the next reaction we are going to learn is the esterification reaction. So what is this esterification reaction? Esterification reaction is nothing but the formation of ester. See, this particular reaction also involves the cleavage of a OH bond, right? This also involves the cleavage of the OH bond. So here in this reaction, alcohols and phenols form ester by reaction with the carboxylic acid. You can note it down. With carboxylic acid, with acid halides, and with acid anhydrides. Right? So alcohols and phenols react with the carboxylic acid, react with the acid halides, and react with the acid anhydride, right? So they convert into esters. The reaction between the alcohols or phenols with the carboxylic acid to form an ester is called as the esterification. Similarly, the reactions of the alcohols and phenol with the acid halides and the acid anhydrides are also called as the esterification. See, esterification of an alcohol and a phenol is carried out in presence of concentrated H2SO4. That means it is carried out in the acidic medium. See, I told you the conditions of the reactions are very, very important. I will repeat it again and again. The conditions of the reactions are very, very important. And the reaction is reversible in nature. Reaction is reversible in nature, right? So this all things you all need to remember. Okay, so in this reaction we are going to see the reaction of alcohols and phenols with the three compounds. First compound will be acetic acid, CH3COOH. Second will be anhydride. So the structure of the anhydride I will give you. This is the structure of an anhydride. CH3C double bond O. Oh, this is the acetic anhydride, right? This is acid. This is acetic anhydride. And the third reaction is possible with the acid chloride, right? So acid chloride may be CH3C double bond O Cl. This is nothing but the acid chloride, or it is also called as the acetyl chloride. So let's quickly see all the reactions by the acid, reactions by the acetic anhydride, and reactions by the acetyl. So first reaction of an alcohol with acid. Right? So the reaction is ROH plus HOC double bond OR. ये थोड़ा सा स्ट्रक्चर मैंने उल्टा लिखा है, right? Or you can also write it RC double bond OH like this, right? But here for your understanding I am writing it in this way, right? So it will be a reversible reaction, and as I told you, this will be a acidic medium H plus. It will get converted into RO C double bond O R, right? So this is nothing but the ester plus H2O will be removed from the reaction, right? So I hope that you have understood this particular reaction. So see, from here this H2O molecule will be eliminated, right? So this is the reaction of alcohol with the acid. Now reaction of a phenol with acid. See, here I am taking it AROH. AR is nothing but the aromatic benzene ring plus HOC double bond OR. Reaction again taking place in the presence of acidic medium. AROC double bond OR. Again the ester is formed plus H2O is removed from the reaction. Again see, this removal of a H2O molecule takes place and there is a conversion into a aromatic ester, right? So these are the two reactions of alcohols and phenols with the acid. Now reaction of alcohols with the acetic anhydride. Now just look at the structure, how I write the acetic anhydride. See, in the first case ROH plus RC double bond O C double bond OR. See, this way also you can represent the structure. In presence of H plus, it will get converted into RC double bond O R dash plus RCOOH. So दो product possible है. One will be ester and the second will be acid, right? So this is the reaction with the alcohols. This is the reaction with the alcohols. अभी phenols के साथ reaction देखेंगे. AROH, again aromatic benzene ring, and OH plus, now I am going to represent it in a different way. C double bond O. देखो मैंने इसको representation ऐसा किया अभी, right? I hope that you can understand the structure. This is also same structure, this is also same structure, but only arrangement of the structure is different, right? So here in this case, again the product obtained will be ARO C double bond O R plus RCOOH. Again aromatic ester is formed and the acid is formed. Okay, next reaction is reaction with the acid chlorides, right? So alcohols with acid chlorides, right? ROH plus Cl C double bond O R. ये भी मैंने उल्टा लिखा है. You can also write it like this, R C double bond O Cl. But here I need to show you the removal of a HCl. So I have written it in a reverse way. Okay. So in this reaction takes place in presence of a pyridine base. Pyridine base. Right? Again the product will be same, R C double bond O R plus removal of a HCl. See, this removal of a HCl will take place, right? तो सारे के सारे केस में हमने देखा क्या होता है, there will be a formation of a ester only. Now acid chloride, here AROH plus RC double bond OCl. Now I have written the structure like this, removal of this hydrogen, removal of this particular chlorine, in presence again pyridine, that will be a base. It will get converted into RC double bond O, not RC double bond O. Now here it will be ARC double bond O R plus HCl will be eliminated in the reaction, right? So I hope that you have understood the reactions of this particular acid chlorides, acetic anhydride and the acetic acid. Okay, now we have to understand that what is this acetyl derivative. Acetyl derivative का मतलब क्या होता है? So you can note it down. What is acetyl derivative? Acetyl derivative is a CH3C double bond O group. This group is called as the acetyl derivative group. See, acetate esters of alcohols or phenols are called as the acetyl derivatives of alcohols or phenols. Example के तौर पर I will take it as aspirin. You all know that aspirin is the drug which is used for the treatment, right? It is one kind of a medicine. So we can also prepare this aspirin. How the preparation of aspirin is possible? So let's see the preparation of aspirin. This is also one kind of a acetyl derivative. So for preparation of aspirin, we are going to take the salicylic acid. So this is the salicylic acid. So when this salicylic acid is treated with the acetic anhydride, in presence of a H plus acidic medium, see, conditions are important. Again I will tell you. Then it will get converted into COOH O C double bond O CH3, right? So this is plus acetic acid is also obtained in the reaction. Acetic acid is also obtained in the reaction, and this is nothing but the aspirin. Aspirin का दूसरा नाम क्या है? Acetyl salicylic acid. Acetyl salicylic acid, right? So I hope, my dear students, that you have understood all the reactions under this particular category, right? Okay, so in the next period we will see the next concept. Okay, thank you very much.